Hi everyone, this is Zatig from BeanAir Tech Support, and today we're gonna see the acceleration filter which is available on the Bean device Wilow AX-3D, AX-3DS and the combo sensor X Inc. for dynamic measurement mode. In this video you will see how to use the acceleration filter with different data acquisition modes and the several limitations using it. To use the filter, go to Online Data Analysis tab, then enable the acceleration filter, and we will keep the number of points set as default. By choosing such configuration, the graph will be displayed right after 10 seconds, then it will be refreshed every 10 seconds. This works properly with streaming mode on continuous monitoring. But what about the other options where I should enter the data acquisition duration like in set mode or streaming mode with burst option? In this case, we already choose an automatic number of points, and we said before that the minimum data acquisition duration is 10 seconds. So here you need to enter a duration which is a multiple of 10, means 10, 20, 30 seconds and so on. Let's say for example I didn't notice and I put here 15 seconds instead of 10 seconds. And here a notification message will pop up on the screen telling that you should enter a number multiple of 10, means 10 seconds, 20 or 30 seconds. Now let's move on and change the number of points by checking the manual checkbox, and let's choose for example 256 points. Click on validate. And let's choose a sampling rate closer to this number or similar. For example, we will choose 250. And here the graph will be generated probably after 1 second or little more. Also here we don't face any problem with the streaming continuously monitoring. But what about the other modes? Here we should calculate the minimum data acquisition duration, which is equal to the number of streaming points divided by the sampling rate. For example, let's say I will choose a 512 points. Click on validate. We'll choose streaming mode. Let's say with burst option. And here we need to enter the data acquisition duration. So after choosing 512 points such as streaming points, Now we will choose 100 as a sampling rate. So we need to calculate the minimum data acquisition duration. So I will divide 512 by 256. That will result 5.12 seconds, which means the minimum duration is equal to 6 seconds. So I put number multiple of 6 in data acquisition duration frame. So for example, let's say we will choose 12 seconds. And here everything is working properly. But what if I put 10 seconds instead of 12? And here we go again. Notification message will pop up on the screen telling that we should enter right data acquisition duration depending on the sampling rate and the number of streaming points already chosen. So to sum up, the acceleration filter is used to reduce the noise and makes the signal smooth, but you should take in consideration all the limitations mentioned before. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.